Hey everyone, welcome to Cloud Sutra. Today we are sharing some exciting job opportunities for you. First up, we have NEP Group is hiring for the role of graduate engineer trainee. They are looking for freshers or candidates with up to 1 year of experience. This job is based in Delhi, NCR, and you'll get the chance to travel internationally. To eligible, you should have a degree in engineering or related field and knowledge of audio visual systems or CCNA is a plus. To apply, please find the link in description box. Next one is from Amazon. They are looking for support engineer in Karnataka. If you have 2+ years of experience in software development or technical support and skills in Unix scripting and AWS, this could be a great fit. And next one is from Orasol. Infotech is hiring a Linux admin L1 position. They need someone with at least 1 year of experience in systems, cloud servers, and tools like Jenkins and Jira. This job is in IT service consultancy. So if you are interested, please find the link in description box. Moving on to Ziff Devis, they are in search of DevOps engineer in Pune with 5 years of experience in AWS, Docker, Jenkins, Terraform, where you will be working on cloud native deployments. Finally, Spark Support is hiring a DevOps engineer in Kochi. They need someone with 3+ years of experience in Linux systems and Docker. You will also need skills in Kubernetes, AWS, and CI/CD pipelines. To apply, please find the link in description box and don't forget to subscribe to Cloud Sutra for more job updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.